Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone. On behalf of IEEE Joshua University of Science and Technology Student Branch, I am D. Mustaqim Islam. I am truly honored to welcome you all today's insightful webinar on ethical AI education, opportunities and challenges. This session is a part of IEEE Virtual Speaker Program, and we are delighted to have an exceptional speaker with us, Associate Professor Dr. Rajermani Thinakaran from INTI, International University, Malaysia. Artificial intelligence is transforming education from personalized learning experience to automated assessments. However, with this advancement comes significant ethical concern, data privacy, bias in AI model, and the role of AI shaping of the future of learning. Today, we will explore this crucial topic with our distinguished speaker, Dr. Rajermani, who brings a wealth of experience in AI assistive technology and e-learning. This webinar is streaming live on Google Meet and Facebook. We we will have a question and answer session after speaker's presentation. In the meantime, participants are encouraged to ask their question in the chat box. Before we begin, I would like to extend my gratitude to IEEE organization team and all the participants joining us from different parts of the world. Also, certificates of participation certificates of participation will be provided to all attendees. Please follow the attendance link in the chat box. It will be available throughout the session. So without further ado, let's welcome Associate Professor Dr. Rajermani Thinakaran to take us on this fascinating journey into ethical AI in education. Welcome Dr. Rajermani Thinakaran.
Okay, so can I start? And
Yes,
can you all can hear my voice, yeah?
yes, yes, yes,
Okay, so okay, let me share my slide first.
yes.
Can see my slide, yeah? Okay, so actually I'm going to the slide now. Okay, so I hope that everyone can see. Uh okay, so just put it in the okay. Thank you. Okay, IEEE, yeah, the organizing committee, the student committee, yeah, for inviting me, okay, for this sharing session. Okay, so today's the topic will be ethical AI in education. So we're going to just look on the opportunities and challenges. So, and I think it's a good evening, yeah. So actually, okay, Malaysia now, I think the time will be 10:38. Okay, almost a sleeping time. So I hope that everyone can, okay, bear with me. Uh, I believe it is a 1 hour. Am I correct? Is it 1 hour session, the sharing? Okay. Okay, so just that I don't want to take so long. Okay, I know that this time is maybe your dinner time. Okay, so yeah. Okay, do you have a class tomorrow? Because tomorrow is a Friday. Oh, okay. That means Friday and Saturday will be the how to say you all on leave, yeah. Okay, okay. So yeah, yeah. Malaysia it depends on the which state, yeah. So some state holiday on Friday and Saturday, and some state okay the holiday will be Saturday and Sunday. So okay the state which I'm staying is Saturday and Sunday. So tomorrow we still have classes to go on. Okay, before that, okay, my name is Dr. Rajermani Thinakaran. Okay, I'm from Faculty of Data Science and Information Technology, INTI International University, yeah, Malaysia. And also I'm sharing my email. Later I will share my contact number. Actually, my contact number will be my WhatsApp number, yeah. Okay. A bit of my profile, I think maybe in the website, my profile already been shared. Okay. So actually, I'm a local Malaysian. Okay, I'm a local Malaysian Indian. Okay. And then my qualification, okay, actually, a Bachelor of Computer Science, okay, from University Technology Malaysia. This is one of public university in Malaysia and among five research university. Okay. And then my master in also in a computer science. Okay. So, but I do my master in a national university or University Kebangsaan Malaysia. This is another public university and one of the top research university also. But however, I go back to my okay, University Technology Malaysia to complete my PhD. Yeah. Okay. So again, my PhD research is basically in e-learning. Okay, is related to the education, and of course, I use AI technology there, and also some how to say psychology element. So that means my research is a mixed mode. Okay, so this is about and my interest domain. Yeah. So currently I'm involved in a research track. Okay. No more teaching, but however, I'm teaching each semester one subject. Okay, and I'm supervise a lot of master and PhD students, and also undergraduate final year project. Okay, so that's basically I do. And my how to say research area basically involved in the computer assisted education. Okay, because I'm how to say academicians, yeah, almost 28 years already. Okay, and also I'm do research in assistive technology. Basically, this assistive technology related to the disabled people. Okay, and of course, I like look on gaming and animation. Okay, gamification and animation where I use in the computer assisted education. Okay, and of course, sustainability. Okay, I hope that everyone know what is sustainability. Yeah. So nowadays, all the research we are doing, okay, must include the term of sustainability. Okay, so this is a bit of my profile, and of course, you can go to the Google Scholar to get my profile. Also, I'm not that active in LinkedIn, but normally I will update all my, how to say, webinars, okay, a keynote speaker of the conference, workshops, all in my LinkedIn. So you can follow my LinkedIn. So uh, maybe ask, okay, how to follow? You just use my full name, Rajermani Thinakaran. You're able to get it. Okay. So before I start today's topic, yeah, okay, ethical AI in education. We look on opportunities and challenges. Of course, I'm also going to share a few AI tools. Maybe it can be used, okay, uh, in your, how to say, in your journey, yeah? Okay, in your undergraduate journey, or maybe some of you are postgraduate journey. Okay, you can use it, but I also teach you how to use it in a proper way or in ethical way. Okay. So before that, okay, I jump to today's topic. Just a bit of okay about Malaysia. So does anyone here? Do anyone here have been to Malaysia? Anyone? Yes.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Uh-uh. Oh, oh, that's nice, nice. Very nice.
Hello, doctor.
Okay. Hi. Okay. Actually, I welcome everyone here, okay, to visit Malaysia, and also you can come and visit our university also. Later, I share how you all can come to visit our university. Yeah. I think you all know Malaysia, we have multicultural, okay, because of multiracial. So the main race is Malay, Okay, the second will be Chinese, and third is Indian, and we have other races. Culture, yes, is mixed culture. Okay, and then how about the food? Yes, because it's a mixed race, mixed culture, then our food also is mixed. Okay, and of course, we have many modern architecture. And if you can see, that is the Twin Tower, that is how to say the highlight. If anyone come to Malaysia, yes, they love to go to visit the Twin Tower. This is one of the our modern how to architecture or our icon, yeah, in Malaysia. And multi-language. Okay, so we are, of course, we have multi-language. The main language we talk is our national language is Bahasa Malaysia, yeah. So I can talk in Bahasa Malaysia because that's my national. And the second language, okay, we use English. And third language will be our mother tongue. Okay, so my mother tongue is Tamil. Okay, even though I'm a Malaysian, but my ancestors, yeah, 50, 60, not 50, I think maybe 100 years back, they are from India. So we are still preserve our mother tongue in Malaysia. Okay, uh, so this is a bit. Okay. And then, of course, maybe you want to know, okay, where this Inti, okay? Actually, you can go to the search engine, any search engine, just type Inti International University. You can see our website, okay? And for your information, this is actually Malaysia, but okay, I don't know how many of you know that Malaysia consists of West Malaysia and East Malaysia. Okay, so this is a West Malaysia. So I'm coming from this state. We call it as Negeri Sembilan. Okay, so where I'm working is Inti International. That is the main campus, and we have another three branches. Okay, one of in the Penang. Actually, Penang is a tourist place. So if you are come to Malaysia, okay, you should visit Penang. It's an island. And then we have Inti International Subang College. Actually, is a college. Okay, is actually in another state we call Selangor, but it's near to Kuala Lumpur. And then we have another branch in how to say in East Malaysia. So we call Sabah. This is actually Sabah, and this is Sarawak. Okay, consists Sabah and Sarawak is East Malaysia. Actually, down here actually is Kalimantan. Okay, belongs to Indonesia, and this part here is Brunei. Okay, so this is a bit of how the Malaysia map look like. Okay. Okay. Now it's a bit, of course, we are, it's a global recognition and achievement. So we are ranked World University Ranking. Okay. So 516 this year. So now we are working hard to get, okay, a better rank for the coming year. Okay. So we are currently a research university. Yeah. Past 2 years, we are in the ranking. Okay, this is what actually I like to share. So there are many collaboration opportunities. Of course, maybe you want to come to INTI as under the study tour. Yes, most welcome. Study mobility program also we have it. So it's depend on the package. And then for the maybe for the lecturers, yeah, professors out there, okay, they can join teaching exchange program and visiting scholar. We have that. uh, and then online or offline teachers training, and then program collaborations, sometimes student mobility program, yeah, they can come to Malaysia. It depends what the program, okay, they want to join. Okay, and also we have a lot of online symposium and all these things. And also we have a joint research. So this joint research is not only for the how to say for the lecturers over there. Okay, we also can do joint research, okay, between the students, of course, with the your lecturers' permission. Okay, so this is a bit of the collaboration opportunities. Maybe out there, there are, okay, some professors or lecturers, yeah, like, okay, to do some collaboration with us. Yes, you are most welcome to contact me. Okay, I think it's almost just a bit of introductions. Okay, I don't know why it's hang. Okay, okay. Sorry, I forgot to. um, to edit a detailed outline, just an introduction and conclusion. And of course, in between, I'm going to talk about, okay, the challenges and the good things about the AI tools in the education. Okay, before we start, okay, the detail of the topic, uh, do you aware of these sustainable development goals? Right? Yeah, SDG, yeah. So nowadays we are not only talking in the maybe in the conference or in the seminar, but actually we abandoned it in our education also. Okay, so when we see that 17 plus 1, okay, goals, and then I highlight here goal number 4, which is quality education. Okay, I'm an educator. So for me, I think among all the goals, I think the goal number 4, okay, is very important. Actually, other goals are important, but goal number 4, yeah, quality education, actually it leads the other goals. Okay, it leads to other goals. Okay, so that is my okay. And then another one when we talk about education. Okay, actually there are many challenges. This is just one of the challenges I picked up, basically on the technology. Okay, inadequate use of technology for sustainability education. Okay, and here maybe some of you are going to do your FIP, or some of you in the postgraduate, or maybe you want to proceed to the postgraduate. Okay, of course, you can look on this area. This is still related to the technology, but it's more to the education. Okay, these two, how to say, still lacking. One is digital divide. The lack of access to technology in many parts of the world hinders the ability of schools to utilize digital tools and platforms that can enhance sustainability education. I think myself or my students, okay, they all are have a good opportunity of, okay, of the technology. And I believe your university, yeah, and you all have the good opportunity to access all the technologies in your path, yeah, of education, in your learning path. Okay, but still there are some countries, some students, yeah, still they are lacking. So we can look on that. And then also underutilization of edu tech. That means education technology. Okay, it's still underutilized. I believe we use education technology during the COVID. So we all okay, everyone, okay, throughout the world, okay, we learn, okay, teaching and learning through the uh, online by using some platform. So that is actually education technology that is started during the COVID, yeah, and is continue until today. Okay, for example, today we are also using education technology, that is, I think we are using a Google Meet, yeah. Okay, that is one of the platform, okay, we utilize for the learning purpose. Okay, but still we not 100% utilize it. It's still underutilize it. Okay, such as using virtual simulation, digital content, like online platforms also, not many. Okay, that could make learning more engaging and relevant. So this is some of the area you all can have a look. Okay, so related to sustainability education. Okay, come back. Okay, today's topic. Okay, can anyone tell me what's the today's topic? Hope you all
Ethical
not
AI in
sleeping, yeah?
education.
Yeah, AI in okay, ethical, okay, AI in education. Okay, that's the overall. So we are going to look on the ethical, okay, AI in education. Okay, the good part and the bad. Okay. So that's the. So I think everyone know what is AI. So nowadays, yeah, everyone talking about AI. Okay, uh, it really, really affect so many areas, so many domains. Okay, okay. One of that, of course, is education. Okay, it's education. So how this AI works in education? Again, yeah, my research or my PhD research is in education. You can go to the Google Scholar, just type my name, and there are many articles related to my research area. Okay, so basically it transforms, yeah, the AI transforms education by enhancing personalized learning, automating administrative tasks, and enabling data-driven decision making. Okay. And can anyone tell me there is one AI tool? Because I always call controversial tool. Can anyone tell me? Yes, ChatGPT, that guy, yeah. So I always say that okay, that's a controversial tools. Okay, and of course we can debate this controversial tool. Okay, from morning to night. Okay, no ending. Yeah. So now we're going to look on. However, its adoption also raises ethical concerns. Yeah, that must be addressed to ensure fairness, transparency, and accountability. So these things we need to look. Okay, because everyone nowadays, anything AI tools. Okay, whatever you want to do it, okay, the AI tools is there. And I think so many AI tools there for us to use it. Okay. Actually, the AI tools, there's a bad and how to say advantage and disadvantage. Okay, good and bad. But again, it's based on the user. Okay, based on the user, how we use it. Okay. So ethical in AI in education, or the short form, we can call it EAIED. Some articles, the ethical is missing. They just started with the AIED. Okay. There are many articles out there. So here I just want to give a definition of that. So I extracted, there are many articles out there. So I just extracted one paper, 23. It's really first because we need to know uh, what actually I'm going to talk. Okay, because sometimes some of you maybe you are coming and with a different view, okay, of today's topic, and suddenly you like, oh my god, disappointed, okay, with what you are predicting. Okay, what actually I'm going to. So actually ethical AI education refers, yeah, to the responsible design, deployment, and use AI in educational settings. So this thing, ensuring fairness, transparency, privacy, inclusivity, and accountability. Okay, so it aims to enhance learning experience while safeguard student rights and well-being. Okay, I really like this word. Okay, let me draw this. Well-being, yeah. Okay, yeah, yeah, yes. It's about I'm showing in introduction. Okay, okay, can you see there is some citation reference there in a blue line, a blue font?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, is a 2023 article is about the ethical principles. Okay, so I'm still in the no. Oh, okay. Hold on, yeah. Okay. Uh, okay. Just now I talk about the challenges. Okay, just now when I say challenges, can you all see the slide? Okay, before that. Sorry, huh? Before that. No, this one. Oh my God. Okay. Because sometimes maybe it's lagging. Okay. So, yeah. What I do, I won't put in the presentation mode. I just run. Okay. I think it's better. Okay. I think I don't want to repeat. So, this how, okay. I think I already explained it. So, maybe later on I can share the slide. Okay. I can share the slide. Yeah. So this is about how the Malaysia look like, and then okay, this is what just now I mentioned that okay, how Malaysia, yeah, actually is a West and East Malaysia. Okay, so East is Sabah and Sarawak. Okay, so this how Malaysia, yeah. So normally people just understand Malaysia is this part only. No. Okay, so I'm coming from Inti International University from a state called Negeri Sembilan, and actually from my university to the airport, yeah, international airport, Kuala Lumpur International Airport, only around, I don't think so, half an hour, maybe 20 minutes only driving, yeah. So actually, yeah, we have in our ranking, yeah. And then this is what actually I'm explaining. Okay. Of course, I will share the slide. Okay. And of course, there's a lot of things. Okay, we can work out together. Of course, I need someone, or maybe your lecturer can contact me. Yeah, we can go through this. Okay. So just that, of course, the sustainability goals. Yeah. So we have 17 plus one. But among them, okay, from my point of view, education is more important for me, because based on the education, the rest all can work out. Okay, so that is thing. And why? Because I'm an educator for almost, I think, already 28 years, okay, in the academician field. Okay. And then this is what I'm just now saying. Okay, challenges in current educational practice towards the sustainability. Actually, there are many, but I just pick up this because I'm teaching technology also. So, inadequate use of technology for sustainable education. So I already explained just now. But that's why I say we are so lucky, and you're so lucky. Okay, be able to use okay, a lot of technology in our learning, and of course in my teaching. Okay, but still there are some students out there, okay, still lack of this. They cannot use this because maybe in their infrastructure, the country, yeah, infrastructure, all these things. So we should look at that. So the country should look on that. Okay. Okay. So this one is about today's topic. We're going to look on that ethical. Okay. So AI, we use it in so many places, in so many domains. Okay. And we are also still using in, how to say, in education. Yeah. So of course, this is a bit of definitions of what is the ethical AI in education. Okay, so currently there are a lot of active research on this domain, yeah, a lot of active research. So it refers to the responsible design, deployment, and use of artificial intelligence in educational settings. Okay, ensuring fairness, transparency, privacy, inclusive, blah, 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 blah. Okay, and also student rights, yeah, this one, maybe I just bold it. And also the important part, the well-being of student. This is very important. Okay, maybe I can put red color. It's very important. Okay, so this definition, I took it from this article. You can able to get it, this article, from the Google Scholar. Okay, guys, you all can use Google Scholar in your country? Can,
Yeah,
huh?
yeah, of course.
Yeah. Because in China, they can't use it. Okay. Sometimes I really have difficult, because we have many China students in our university. Even we also have students from Bangladesh. Okay. Previously, I have a few students, okay, under my FIP supervision, undergraduate supervision from Bangladesh. Okay. Okay. So we're going to look on the opportunities and challenges, that the two terms we're going to use it, okay, in the ethical AI education. Okay, actually, there are, okay, this is the thing. Yeah, one, okay, almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So don't worry, so I'm not going to keep you okay the more than 1 hour here. Okay, because when I'm going to talk, maybe some of the things you already know. Just that, okay, you don't know what exactly the right term we need to use it. So basically, when you look on the how we use AI in education, or what the opportunities, okay, we can come personalized learning, enhance accessibility and inclusions, efficient administrative process, okay, early intervention and student support, scalability and cost effectiveness, and ethical AI for fair, okay, assessments. Yeah. Okay, for example, personalized learning. Actually, my research, okay, in e-learning, my research in intelligent tutoring system. When we say intelligent tutoring system, is already AI. Okay, so I design or I introduce a model, yeah, motivation assessment model by using this machine, yeah, a laptop. How I can assess students' motivation. Physically, we can know how the student motivation in the class, but by using the machine, by using e-learning platform, how? So I come up with a model using AI, which is I use a fuzzy logic algorithm. Yeah. So that's how it works. So when we say personalized, it's a adaptive learning systems, customized education content based on the students' learning styles and progress. Because student learning styles, there are various learning style, okay, and also student preference, okay, learning, they are various. So now we want to adapt according to their preference, yeah. So that's why AI we can use it. For example, I don't know whether you all know Khan Academic, okay. Later, of course, you can access it. So I already have the link on. You okay, use AI to provide personalized math and science lesson. I think for the K-12, for the school student. Okay. So this is what we call personalized learning, yeah. So where AI can help. Okay. And then, okay, hold on. Okay. Okay, another example is Kotik by Google. Okay, use AI to help students to understand complex concepts via step-by-step explanation. Of course, you can go to the site and have a look, but it's nothing free. Yeah? Okay, you can log in, but I think maybe we can use the basic features. Of course, we can subscribe, but maybe you can go and explore. They are using AI, the key algorithms there. Okay, how they work. Okay, how about this? Are you all using ChatGPT?
Yes, yes.
Yes, okay. Okay, I hope that no one say no. Yeah. If anyone say no, I totally don't believe. Okay. Even nowadays, yeah. Okay. How to say? The school student also know how to use it. Okay, this one is very, very controversial too. Okay, when they start to introduce, okay, a few years back, or 2, 3 years back, many argument okay, raised, yeah. Of course, in terms of researcher, educators, a lot. Okay, but again, okay, we need to teach the student how to use ethically. That's the important part, because we can't say to student, please don't use it. Okay, even I don't know whether okay, maybe your lecturer have said that don't use it, but still the lecturer say don't use it, but still the student will use it. We can't avoid it because it's so valuable out there. Okay, just that you must know how to use it. Okay, so that's the important part. Okay, so don't 100% or 200% rely on this chat GPT. It's only a tools to assist us in our learning. Okay, that's all. Okay, but I know around the world, everyone are using. I don't know. Maybe I can tell my experience. This is actually my recent experience. My recent experience, this week experience. I'm supervising a postgraduate student. So I asked him to write chapter 1, chapter 2. I think a master student, yeah, chapter 1 and chapter 2, yeah. He already designed the system all. So now we need to document it. We need to come out that this is documentation. So I give him the sample, previous student's sample, just follow, but the content will be different. Okay. And the student do it. Okay. The student do it. He shared chapter 1 and chapter 2, okay, to me. Then when I go through chapter 1 and chapter 2, it's totally, how to say, I can say, not correct lah. Okay, it's wrong. So I'm telling him, then I'm like rectifying each subtopic, like a problem background, the research objective, the scope, and blah 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 of the chapter 1. After that, he looked upset. I said, why? No, ma'am. I use Chat GPT. I give the framework, okay, of chapter 1 to the Chat GPT. Okay, and then Chat GPT gives the answer. You take the whole thing, then I'm so surprised. But actually, the student is very genuine and okay, genuine, telling the truth. I say that you can use ChatGPT, but however, you know how to use it. Okay, ChatGPT is only a machine. Okay, the way we want to write our chapters, the thesis. Okay, there is some technical flow there. ChatGPT, you know, you will need to guide them what actually you want it. Okay, because ChatGPT, they are using just an algorithm. Okay, whatever we are asking, they just go and crawling okay to all the valuable materials, the website, or just take it and then pop. We have to analyze. We need to know that whatever we are asking, is it that's the one we want it. Okay, can y'all see me? Because I heard someone is can okay, just
Let's see.
okay. So this how, okay, the Chat GPT. So uh I always I tell my student, yeah, you can use Chat GPT. No issue for me. But please use ethically. Okay. You know how to use it. Okay, because nowadays we have the plagiarism tool, yeah, turn in it. The chat, okay, if you are using Chat GPT, you're getting information from there, the turn in it can identify. Okay, I always show students, okay, this is your plagiarism rate. And of course, where you got it also, I can show. So this is, okay, where you got it. So in chat, from the Chat GPT, how many percentage, everything I can show. Okay, so we have to be really careful and we need to use it smartly. Okay, and then other, so okay, the tools actually is under the personalized learning. Okay, this is another one, Duolingo. Have you come across this, Duolingo? I'm using this,
Yeah,
learning some
Duolingo,
language.
yes. Very easy.
Yeah, I'm learning Chinese because I have many students from China. Okay, the problem is the language problem. Okay, so I learning a simple words so that I able to communicate with them. Okay, so this means some of these are actually all the design based on the AI tools. Okay, and this is just now I talk about Chat GPT. Okay, okay, just that maybe I can share a bit of the Chat GPT. Okay, how to use it. Why are some people worried about Chat GPT? Okay, many school higher institutions, yeah, I think when the ChatGPT be introduced, decide to block the technology. Okay, past 2 years lah, when they introduced. But some higher educations, they have been, okay, interested on this AI tool, okay, by catering their academic offerings to AI related coursework. So nowadays, what we do, okay, because we can't say to the student no, but the way we give assignments, of course, you can use the Chat GPT, but the Chat GPT really cannot give the whole answers. Maybe they can assist the student, but at the end of the day, the student have to come up with their work. So this is how it works. Another concern with AI chatbot is the possible spread of misinformation. Yes, sometimes ChatGPT gives some not the correct information because It's only a machine. We just write the
Yes,
algorithm.
I'm victim of this.
Oh, you're one of the victim, yeah? Congratulations. Okay, so that's why I say we must use smartly. Okay, we have to use. You have to know how to use it. Okay, so when you got the information from the chat GPT, you have to double check. Okay, and then maybe you can ask the chat GPT where they got this information. Sure, they will give the citation, and you go to that okay website or whatever or the article, check back, double check. Okay, so this how we have to use it. Okay, so because to say they just a machine, they just we write the algorithm, they just go and get it. That's all. So the okay, the boot of itself says my response are not intended to be taken as a fact. And I always encourage people to verify and any information they receive from me and any other sources. Can you see that? Okay. So this is thing you need to verify. Okay. Of course, I have talked a lot of tools, yeah, AI tools to many workshops, and even some, how to say, a very experienced lecturer also, they are asking me, what's the purpose of these AI tools if we are not use it? Why we need to verify? I told that it's only to assist us, not to fully utilize it, the contents. Okay. Like during my time, I'm doing a PhD. I want to look for articles, all. I have to do it manually. Okay. But now we have tools, okay, where they're able to give us related articles. Okay. And also there's a tools where they're able to summarize the contents of the article. Okay, maybe later, I think I will share it. Okay, that's thing. So this statement actually, I got it. I'm not write my own this statement myself. Yeah, so I just get it from this side. Okay, and then what are ChatGPT limitations? Okay, users sometimes need to reword questions multiple times for ChatGPT to understand their intent. Okay, yes. Okay, I have tested this chat GPT, but I'm not prefer because I'm a old people. Okay, old school. I'm still doing in the traditional way, but I'm still but however I need to know how this chat GPT works. So sometimes for example, okay, last semester I'm teaching business simulation. Okay, I asked one questions, yeah, related business simulation. I asked one example of the business simulation. ChatGPT cannot give me. Totally cannot give me. Okay, I say okay. So I create that question, and my student, of course, is an open test book, and the student put the question in the ChatGPT. They cannot get the answer because I already tested. Okay, so this is a thing. Okay, so again, they say that does ChatGPT give wrong answers? Yes, it is a language model. Okay, has limitation and can give nonsense. Okay, answers and incorrect information. So it's important to double check the data. So that's why always need to double check. Okay, so that is my advice. Okay, I can't say that don't use it. You can use. Okay, you have to know how to use it. You have to use smartly. Okay. So maybe in future, maybe we can have one workshop on how to use a ChatGPT. Okay, wisely, yeah. Okay, this is another one. Opportunities, enhance accessibility and inclusion. I think this one you all get to use it. Okay, AI powered tools such as speech to text or text to speech or real-time transitions. Okay, make education more accessible. Basically, I'm talking about uh, for the okay, this one, disability students and non-native speakers. Okay, we can use the translator. Okay, we can use that. Okay, and also AI-driven access technology support neurodiverse learners. So this is all for the disability. Yeah. Okay. So I think I put a few example. Okay. Okay, speech to text or okay, this one is speech to text. Okay, I didn't put text to speech. Okay, this one, Author AI. Have you used this? Yeah, because sometimes maybe how to say we communicate, okay, and then sometimes we just worry that we miss something, yeah. So we communicate maybe face to face or online. You need to take the notes. Okay, sometimes we miss the important information, so we can use these two. So what it do? It extract all the conversations and then it converted to the text. Okay, okay, they transcribe and then yes, okay, we can do that. Okay, and also text to speech also we have it. This is a natural reader, yeah. So actually, yep, this author. So we are using this. I'm using this. Okay. Uh, because sometimes we are very lazy to open the video, yeah, video and audio. Okay, we want to just read it. Okay, so we can use this. Okay, normally when we have online presentations, yeah, student presentation, we use this in my university. Okay, so officially we use it. Okay, and then yep. Okay. Eh, yes. Uh-uh. Okay. Okay. Yeah, maybe give me a few minutes. Okay. Okay. Just give me a few minutes. Sometimes I cannot limit. Okay, I wanted to share a lot. So this is the okay. So yeah, yeah, okay. So this one is the link, okay, and then I also put the video how to use it, okay. If you are maybe some of you want to test it, yeah, or try this. And some other things like enhance accessibility in inclusions, yeah. Example, AI powered assistive technology for this one is basically I'm talking about for the disabled people. We are perfect. So no issue. But how about the disabled people? They want to use some of the tools or education tools or AI tools. Okay, is there any tools for them? Yes, we have it. Okay, there are many, yeah. So I cannot put everything. Okay, so one of the thing I put it is seeing AI lah. Okay, you all can test it this. Okay, and one of my PhD student, he's doing in assistive technology. Okay, he's coming from Oman, and then also he's the one. Okay, in the one of the university. Okay, the university where he's working, he come out with the department for the disabled students. And Oman government actually support, and he really come out a very nice, how to say, lab for the disabled students to use. Okay, all kind of educational technology. Okay, so it's very nice. Okay, so okay, and then this one is about the efficient administrative process. Yeah, again, maybe yep, it's automatic grading, attendance tracking, and scheduling. Yeah, we have it. Okay, for example, I don't know Google Meet can take the attendance or not. Okay, I'm in our university. We are using Blackboard. Last time we used Blackboard. Okay, the Blackboard when student and okay join it is automatically can capture their attendance. Okay, how long they have been there, like in and out also, everything will be captured. Of course, how this work? Of course, we are using a AI technology. Again, can you see that auto AI? Okay, also can go here. Okay, in the efficient administrative process, and I just put it a few here. Maybe y'all can later explore it. Okay. So then we have also early intervention and student support. Okay. Uh, okay. So this one we go to predictive analysis. Some of the tools we have the predictive analysis like okay. how the students attendance, and how, okay, when they do some tests, quizzes, we can predict, okay, how far they achieve the knowledge. So this is the thing. And scalability and cost effectiveness. Okay, because when we using a technology, when we talk about cost effectiveness is not only means by the currency. That means how efficient we can do the work, okay, in terms of time. Okay, so for example, just now I say that this is a learning management tools, Moodle. I've used that, Blackboard, okay, Canvas. Currently we are using Canvas, so I can show this how the environment, because I need to go fast. If not, I can show how I use my Canvas. Okay, so I have experience using all these things. Okay, so how they also have using some AI algorithm to make it more efficient. Okay, so this, yeah. Okay. Okay, I like this ethical AI for fair assessment. Yes. We also have some tools, okay, to check, okay, the fairness of assessment. For example, the plagiarism detection. I believe that your university using the plagiarism detection. Yes, yeah.
We are using Turnit also.
Turning, yeah. This one, plagiarism checker, So just be careful when you use a chat GPT, you getting information from the AI tools. Please paraphrase it. Okay? You don't just copy and paste it. I didn't put it another sample where it can show that where you got it. Okay? Is it your, okay, in which AI tools you got it? It's everything. Maybe we wait for others to join first, yeah? Yeah. Actually, maybe in future, maybe you need to give maybe extra timings. This is okay. I have the same experience when first time here conduct the symposium online. I just like put it exact time. Sometimes it can be delayed. Yeah, it's okay. No issue. Yeah, yeah. Because when I share entire, I can't see my cancel first. Because I get to use with the Microsoft Teams. So can see my screen? Okay. Okay. Let me check. Can I? Okay. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. I think this is it's been recorded, so later on also they can look on the recording. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. So okay, I stop at the plagiarism checker. That is one of the plagiarism checker we use turning it. Okay. Just now, okay, I'm asking a question. Uh, what is the maximum? Yeah. Plagiarism we can go. What is up to? What the maximum?
I think
Okay.
50%, 15%.
Okay. I just like to ask question. Yeah. What is the maximum plagiarism rate we can go? Anyone? Yes. 15? Is it 1 5 or 30? Okay. Basically we go for maximum 20. That's the standard. But again, based on your lecturer lah. Okay. Normally when we send the articles, yeah, for the conference or publication, we go 20%. That's the maximum. Okay. Even in Malaysia for the submitting thesis all, we go 20% only. So here is 45. Oh, that's not good. See? Uh, there's things. So, okay, of course, 75 is more worst. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, and then of course, other than turning it, the plagiarism checker, okay, sometimes it's only available for during our class. Okay, during our semester, maybe you have your, maybe you want to do some publications or something you want to write. Of course, you don't get, okay, you cannot use the turn in it. What you can do, there is other tools, plagiarism checker tools. Shall I continue? Yes. Suddenly got a lot of interruptions. So this some of the plagiarism checker like Grammarly, okay, Quillbots. Okay, so you can use this. But again, they say it's a free, but actually not free. Only a few features they give for free, but the rest all we need to subscribe. Yeah. Okay. Just want to share a bit what means by plagiarism here. Okay, what is plagiarism and why it's wrong? Okay, why it's become a big problem, big issue in education? Yeah. Okay, so you have to understand what means by plagiarism here is the taking of original author's work and calling it your own. So that is what we call plagiarism. This one always student do. Okay. What they do, they just get it some information from somewhere, or maybe doing an assignment. You are taking a lot of information from somewhere. Okay, just copy and paste it. And after that you are claiming, oh, this is my work. No, this is where the plagiarism come in. Okay, we can't do it. But still you want to take the information out, you rewrite it. And also you need to do the citation. Okay, so to avoid the plagiarism. So actually plagiarism actually is a crime, yeah, referred to as an intellectual copyright. And copyright laws can carry with this. Okay, hefty fees and even jail time, yeah, up to a year and the highest level. So we really have to be careful. That's why I have a plagiarism tools. Why do people still want to do that? Commit plagiarism. The reason for is very okay, how to say, is instance of academic dishonesty like plagiarism are highly variable based on the preparator. For many students, plagiarism is the way out doing something they consider pointless. Okay, that means sometimes the student just okay, I use it my friend's work. Okay, just copy it and put it. But actually, that is belong to your friend. Or sometimes you just copy some information from the article or textbooks. Okay, and after that you claim that information is yours. No, we can't do that. Okay, so that's how, because sometimes people do a lot of shortcut. Okay, so we have to avoid. Even though you want to get the informations, we rewrite it, but we do the citation. Okay, so this is how it works. So this is what the question I asked. Okay, actually it's not been written anywhere, but this is the standard practice we use it. Okay, keep under 20%, so you will be a safe side. If you have a lesser than that, maybe just now your okay, our friend say that 50%. Yeah, if possible lesser, but sometimes cannot. Yeah, it's impossible because sometimes we take some quotes. Yeah, some statement which we really cannot. Okay, how to say paraphrase, or we have to take it. So that's how, okay, we accepting okay, maximum 20%. Okay, so that's why just now say the best practice citation should be used whenever using another source word for food. Okay, so these things. So this one nowadays, yeah, in the research world, in publication world, all this we are coming in. Okay, even your assignments we need to do, because your lecturer will ask, okay, your assignment must have a citations and reference. Why? We want to know, okay, some of the information you are taking somewhere where we cannot change it or paraphrase the word. So we need to decide it. So that's why, okay, we need to have citation and reference. Okay, so this is the thing, maybe just hold on, move this thing up. Some strategy, yeah, to avoid plagiarism. Don't look too closely at other material when you are writing. Okay, don't too dependent